friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make liquid pen. So watch my video till end and a shout out coming at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. So thank you. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed my video. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And we are about to hit 4K subscribers. So please subscribe to my channel and shout out coming out next. This video shout out goes to RA Praveen Arts. So if you want a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is like this video and subscribe to my channel and comment down below done when you're done. So see you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.